Hey folks, Steve with S&S. We're going to do a quick video going through some of the features on a 2017 Tahoe. Pretty much going through here, this is your voice and phone. This controls your computer up here, your onboard computer. You can go into info, audio, phone. Most of that stuff you can, it's pretty self-explanatory. It'll walk you through it. Next, this controls your cruise control. Your power pedal adjusts right over here. That moves it up. And this is your lane alert. You can turn that on or off. This is where you set your power seats. Through these two buttons, you got two settings. Navigation is pretty self-explanatory. You can go south in, zoom out. You can add an address, points of interest. You can drop pins. You can, if you got your phone downloaded, you can go through contacts too, your vehicle contacts. You can save addresses. Do a lot of stuff that way. All right, now next we'll be doing dual climate control. That's pretty much self-explanatory. Right up here you got two USB ports. That's for your heated seats. When we're doing the phone, just hit media right here, hit pair. Now go into your phone. I'm using an iPhone. Go to Bluetooth, look down through there. It'll be the one that comes up at the bottom. Okay, well, it's taking a little while. Just cut it off. If it's taking a little too long, turn it back on. Now you'll see it down at the bottom. Just make sure the pin's the same and hit pair here, hit yes here. Now after that, you can allow your contacts, favorite sync. If I'm driving personally, I always hit allow, but for this video I'm just gonna hit don't allow. That's the most common thing that we get called and get asked on, is how to operate that. You also have auxiliary and USB right here in the console. These buttons up here, now this is on your power lift back there. You can either put it at max, which is all the way up, or you can do it at 3/4, where it just comes 3/4 of the way up. Just whichever way you like it. And that's pretty much it, folks. Got any other questions, just give us a call, 731-968-2812. Or if you'd like to see this vehicle, you can go to our website at snsAutosale.com. This is on a 17 Chevrolet Tahoe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.